Alright, YouTube, this is another vacuum cleaner that I got. And I got this one off of Facebook Marketplace. It's a Hoover Breathe Easy. And when I got it, of course they didn't show any more photos other than a good view of the machine. They didn't show other videos like different angles or different areas of it. So I didn't know a couple things. Or I didn't know one thing. Or actually, yeah, a couple things. The first thing I didn't know is how dirty it was in the brush roll area. Full of sand. And the other thing that I didn't know is that the handle release is broken. So that's a couple things, but all that really matters to me right now is the machine works. So, yeah, the important thing that I know is that the vacuum works. So I will give it a running here. I installed a brand new belt. The original was broken off. Apparently, it's actually melted broken. So apparently they let it skid on the brush roll, or skid on the motor pulley. But other than that, it works. And I believe this is a 12 amp motor, just judging by what's written on the top of the hood. And I've also noticed a couple things that make this similar in a lot of ways, or in quite a few ways, to my Hoover bagless twin chambers. The switch is up here. The headlight lens is exactly the same. It's got where you can change the belt without taking the hood off. And yes, this thing's got green bristles, which I find kind of neat. Here we go. We're about to run it. Well, I will give it a paper test. Let's just hope I got some paper to put down. Actually that last vacuum test I did, kind of emptied my shredder. Yeah, other than a couple of flaws, it runs pretty good. I would like to get the hose and attachments for this. Don't know how hard they'll be to find. And I would like to get a new handle release pedal. And I'm guessing there was some back caps that went in the back. But that'll be for another day. I'm not too worried about it. I mean, the machine runs, and I know it'll probably get a little annoying having to put the handle release, what's left of the handle release, back in or up to put in the upright position. So anyway, the vacuum works. I'm not too concerned about the tiny things. So yeah, tell me how you liked it. Tell me what y'all would like to see, and I'll see what I can do and how I can do it. Until next time, bye.